How to make a cow farm in Minecraft easily. So first, just put a chest here on the middle and just crouch and right click on the chest to put your hopper. Now once that's done, you will need to get any block of your choice and put it around the hopper just like so. So use your crouch key again so that you can put some blocks right there. And now just place some glass right here on top. So 3 blocks will do. And now what we will need to do is put water on top of our hopper just like this. So click on our crouch key again and right click to put water. Now I could put some temporary blocks to basically put the cows on our chest. So I'm just gonna put one right here. Now I'll make some staircase to basically get the get the cows here on our trap or farm right here. Just basically make a staircase and just let them go here on the top. So once the cows are up, you just need to push them right here till they basically go to the middle. So they might go just like that. You got caught up, but basically do this, push the cow in the middle. Now I'm just gonna get this other cow and put him on the top again. And now I have the both cows inside of our trap right here. And now you could just basically destroy all the unnecessary blocks. You don't need this thing again, but you could also use this for the staircase. But once that's done, you can just get your wheat and just right click on the cows right here to make them breed. And you just need to wait for some time. So just wait for some time. So after quite some time, when you check chest, as you can see, you now have the loot right there. And that's how you basically make an automatic cow farm in Minecraft.